Stop using Facebook for free. Did you know that for a couple of years you can earn money with Facebook doing absolutely nothing? Let me tell you. Get your mobile device ready and let's get started. A couple of years ago, Facebook launched its new platform, Facebook Viewpoints, an amazing app that allows you to earn some extra money every month. With this app, Facebook tries to collect some information from us as if they didn't already have enough. The difference is that the information comes from outside their suite of apps. In other words, Facebook pays you to tell them what you do outside of Facebook. It's not enough for them to collect information from users of the world's 3 largest social networks, but that doesn't matter. As long as they pay, everything's fine. Well, now to what we came here for. The Viewpoints app is easy to use and can be downloaded on both Android and iOS devices. The developers mentioned the app is completely free and can be found in the App Store and Play Store. It consists of completing small tasks that the app gives you to collect certain types of information in exchange for points that you can redeem for rewards. And yes, by reward, I mean money. But what kind of information can they collect when they already collect a lot of information from the apps we use? Well, when you sign up, the platform clearly tells you what kind of information they collect from your tasks and for what purpose. In addition, they assure that this information is for internal use and will not be shared or sold. Well, nobody knows if the latter is true because we all know the reputation of big data companies. Now, let's go to the question that surely many of you are asking. As with any survey or task app that pays you money, the rewards are not great, but money is money. First, let's find out how the tasks work and then we'll talk about how much you can earn. The tasks are actually quite simple. After you sign up for the app, Facebook will start sending you simple tasks such as giving your opinion, downloading an app, providing certain data, or trying out some new features. The tasks are varied, but all of them are simple and don't take any time at all. As for the frequency of the activities, it can vary according to each country and the campaigns that are in place for certain tasks. In general, you will receive tasks every 3 days that you can accept or decline. In other words, you are under no obligation to participate in the tasks that Facebook sends you. Of course, if you want to receive tasks all the time, it's best not to let them go by too often so you don't get shadow banned. Each of these tasks has a number of points that you can earn, which is generally fixed. In other words, it is always the same amount of points per task. Wait up, this is the most interesting part of the video because we are going to talk directly about how many points you need to earn your rewards. As I told you, the points per task are fixed, approximately 85 points per task, which you will receive under 24 hours after completing the task. You receive 85 points every 3 days. While the goal is to reach the minimum withdrawal amount of $3 is 1,000 points, this means that in about a month and a half, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings through PayPal or a bank account. Registering for Facebook Viewpoints is very easy. You just have to download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, launch it, and register. You'll need to be a little patient because after entering all of your information, such as first name, last name, email, and Facebook profile, you will need to wait a few business days for your account to be reviewed and approved. It'll be worth the wait, that's for sure. But don't worry, there are cases where the review and approval doesn't take that long. In fact, there are cases where the registration is approved in as little as 20 minutes. Pretty fast considering the number of people who need to sign up every minute. This question is very personal and depends on each person, but it has been proven that it is possible to make money with this app. Whether it is a lot or little, the truth is that easy money never hurts to receive as a kindness of life. It may seem like a little money, about $3, but the truth is that it is money that you did not have to earn with long hours of work or effort. With just a few minutes and a few clicks, you'll complete a very simple task that will pay off in just a few weeks. Ready to start making money with Facebook Viewpoints? Stop using social networks for free. At least use them to your advantage. See you in the future video.